everyone, I'm Pooja Parashar. I'm here in the third day of this wonderful classes, and this third day there is a very cold and windy outside, and we are prepared for ready for our dinners. Also, you can see, and the third day experience is very good, very fantastic because both of the mentor has doing something different, and the third sessions are role play sessions, and the fourth session was given by Renu Gupta ma'am, that is use of newspaper in the class. And out she she takes us out of the class where we play two games. The first is to Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivani, and make a block of as a Ginti, and second one is the statue of Ram, Krishna, and Shiva. So thank you all mentors. I am here and enjoy a lot. Okay, bye bye. Meet again.
What is this? आपका हाथ ऐसे आया उसमें?
Let it be.
Always, oh my God, wow, art and craft.
I think this is math lab.
No, art and craft. No.
Sure? No, ma'am. Related to math. Maths lab. This is math lab. Yeah, this is the math lab. There are so many craft work of here related to math. Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Hi. Really, we enjoyed this communication classes very much. Yeah. Yeah. So beautiful, so elegant. Looking like wow.
Maybe students learn swimming here.
Yeah, in summer.
Outstanding. This is the Shishu Mandir of Aurao Devras College, Noida Sector 12.
सबके साथ से नहीं आ जाएंगे सब एक साथ यहीं पे करेंगे
एक साथ फोटो ले लो एक साथ फोटो हो जाए
Suno. Here in the evening of our first fifth day, we are enjoy tasty party.
And there is our pasty. Yay! It's very yummy.
And delicious. Thank you.
हेम स्टार चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को, बेल आइकन को दबाएं लेटेस्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए। धन्यवाद।
This is 11 o'clock at night and I'm making vlogs. My name is Pooja Parashar. I'm from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Aligarh. Today is the fifth day of this oriented English classes, and in these classes we have enjoyed a lot. There were 4 sessions. Also, in first session, Deepak sir gave us some vocabulary, some sentence of daily uses. After giving the words, Deepak sir took us to the school library in the first session, where we saw grand library, live library, and we all liked it very much because everything was very organized and many books were kept safe in the shelf, from which I took the book of Barack Obama. In the third session, in the second session, there was a speech competition in which all the teachers have to give a speech. In the second session, there was a speech competition in which all the teachers had to give their speeches. In this activity, my topic was Shakespeare. Everyone performed in this activity very well, and in the third session, we went out to the school garden where we were talking to each other and discussing among ourselves in English. After giving the words, in the fourth session, Renu Gupta ma'am gave us a group activity, that is group in fourth session. Mrs. Renu Gupta ma'am gave us an activity to make sentence, and in this activity my topic was my favorite fruit, where I speak and joke on it. And at last, in the evening, our mentor, Mr. Madan Palji, took us out from the school, and we went a garden in and we went a garden a and we went a garden in Noida and to nearby Saraswati Shishu Mandir, which was very big and the spaciousness was very good, where the prayer room was very big and classes are also very organized. There was a swimming pool. The principal of that school, Mr. Prakash Veerji, we all like the nature of school principal very much, and we all enjoyed talking to him. Now it's cold night, everyone has gone to sleep. Now bye bye, we will meet again. Thank you, sir.
Good morning everyone, I am Pooja Parashar and I am here for orientation English spoken classes in Noida Bhaurav Devras schools. So here today is the first day and second session. Here we have a speech sessions in which first of all I say to thank you our mentor Deepak sir and also you to listen me. My speech is starts, we not afraid of greatness because some are born great. And my topic is William Shakespeare, the Bard of Avon, the national poet of England and the son of Avon. He was born on 23rd April in 1564. He was baptized on 26th April in 1564 in Holy Trinity Church. His father name was John Shakespeare and his mother name was Mary Arden. His father was a glove maker and a local business of England. His mother belongs to a wealthy family. He was third of 8 survival children. He was married to Annie Hathaway, who was 8 years senior to him. After 6 months of his marriage, he got blessed a baby girl named Sunaina. And after 2 years, he was blessed with 2 children, twins, Hamnet and Judy. Hamnet is related to Hamlet, but not it's true. It is related to his relative friend. After some time, he was left England. That is the time of 1582 to 1592. Why? Because there was a great calamity of plague, where there is born great, so he can't sit quietly. He wrote so sonnets and poems. He was write 154 sonnets and 3 narrative poem. 126 poem related to Henry Wriothesley, 26 sonnets related to Mary Fitton, and 2 poems related to Love Cupid. And 3 narrative poem is first is Venus and Adonis, second is Rape of Lucrece, and third is The Passionate Playground. Venus and Adonis is the story of god of love Venus who loved Adonis, but Adonis died in hunting a boar. And second is Rape of Lucrece. He wrote 39 plays in which 38 complete and one more collaborate with his dramatist friends also. He in 38 plays he writes history, romance, comedy and tragedy. The 4 great tragedies called HOKM, Miss Hamlet, Othello, King Lear and Macbeth. And some many pupils when he started his career he told that he is a upstart pro. Me and his so many fellow companions praise him that he was a knowledge of sea and the word of Avon, swan of England. So the greatness of William Shakespeare that his colleagues told about him that he is the knowledge of sea. And in his drama we can see there are so many words related to his. He invented 10,000 words and so many sentences. He invented so much fact that is related to now modern life. That is the Caesarean's operation in Macbeth, who had Macduff, and Othello is a very cruel person. In Hamlet, he present a persons of great knowledge, Hamlet, who was study philosophy. And in his love poem Romeo and Juliet is the story of 7-star prose. So I let me conclude my line that Shakespeare is a great person of English literature. That is very nice, and we all study his romance, novels and story also.
And it's our 6th day in Noida, so we are here for orientation program of English. So first 3 sessions was taken by Dashing Deepak sir and last was taken by Renu Gupta ma'am. So in first session we did an activity which was based on vocab, and then in second session we did an activity that was relatable with later game, and in third what had done, ma'am?
In third, Dashing Deepak sirs will.
Second session, I like the activity which are letter game. In this activity, we enjoy very much and we look like a children.
And in last sessions of Renu Gupta ma'am is very nice because she gave us so many words related to Ramayana, and everybody gives her potentials and her imaginations to relate that words as Ram, Lakshman, Sita, Kekai, Mantra, Shurpanakha also. So I like it because the Ram Mandir is also being the going on there.
Okay, then after in second session we did an activity, that one was sifting chat. Okay, so the sessions was how, ma'am?
Third session is very interesting, shifting chat.
Okay, and you, ma'am?
And I enjoyed all the session, but mostly second session.
Okay,
Yes.
so we enjoyed a lot today. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I'm Pooja Parashar. I'm from SVM Senior Secondary Aligarh. Today is the 6th day of this session.
यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना। मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले।
Good morning. I am Payal Jaspal from Prayagraj, and today our 12th day of this orientation program. And in our first session, the Honorable Deepak sir conduct an activity which is based on mock interview. So let's go and talk our interviewers. Hello ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Yes,
How are you?
fine.
And what about your interviewers, ma'am?
Yeah, we have selected a very good panelist, and we are asked some tough questions to all the candidates, and so many candidates are very good in giving answer, but sometimes they are nervous, and I choose the one of them best candidate.
And how many candidates were there, ma'am?
I think over, ma'am, 34 candidates are.
Okay, and you have also facing interview?
Yes, ma'am. I also have facing interview.
What about your interview, ma'am?
Ma'am, my interview is good. I give answers with confidence. There are some questions on which there are so many questions that I have answered wrong, but I give answer with full confidence.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
So let's talk to the next interviewer. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Aarti Shukla and I am from Saraswati Vidya Mandir.
Okay, ma'am. According to you, who is the toughest panelist?
I think our captain, Mrs. Savita Tripathi,
Yes.
she was the toughest, I think, panelist. She asked very tough question to everyone, but I would also like to appreciate the interviewers. They give satisfactory answers. Some were very good and some were too good, and it feels very good to be the interviewer sometimes. And we also learn that what can be the questions which can be asked to us also and to others also.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
So this is the feedback of our interviewers. Then go to interview. Who facing the interview? Let's go and talk to them. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
What's your name, ma'am?
my name is Soni Tyagi.
Please tell me about your interview.
I like the mock interview because through this interview, this is very necessary for developing our communication skills, and I like it.
Okay, ma'am. Will you conduct this activity, mock interview, conduct in your classroom?
Yes, ma'am, I will surely conduct this activity in my class.
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, I will choose some intelligent students from my class for panel, and then I will talk to my students. Then you will ask the question from one lesson of your syllabus, and then one by one student will come to give their interview, and then they will ask some easy questions to a weak student and the difficult question from an intelligent student.
Thank you.
Then.
So let's go and talk our other candidates. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
What's your name, ma'am?
I am Jyoti Srivastava and from Saraswati Balika Vidyalaya, Gorakhpur.
So tell me about your interview.
Today I hope my interview is good.
According to you, will you select for this job or not?
According to me, I am selected, but what happened there I don't know. But today I feel good in my heart that activity is very beneficial for us, because in these days all the students faces interviews, all the exam. and with the help of this activity we can remove their fears.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Let's go and talk to our other candidates. So, yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Mamta Dana.
Okay, and according to you, how's your interview going?
It was nice experience. I learned a lot, and for sure I am going to conduct it in my class, and they will learn. They will remove their hesitation. They will learn something more, and they will get more knowledge.
Means according to you, this activity is beneficial for you.
Yes, ma'am. But it is because I face interview, and it's good for me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So as you see, okay, let's go with our other candidate. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Sugandha Singh.
So firstly, tell me about your interview.
This mock interview is very good for us. And one thing, how can we remove our hesitation?
Yes.
Because whenever we face the interview, at that time we become afraid. So this is a good platform to remove our hesitation. And if we will conduct in our school, the hesitation of every student may be removed forever. So this is very beneficial for us.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So let's go with our other candidates. Okay. So, ma'am, how are you? How are you, ma'am? What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Niru.
Okay, ma'am. So, according to you, this interview is beneficial for you or not?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and talk about other candidates. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Priyanka Mishra.
How are you facing your interview?
It was good, and I gave all the answers, but sometime I got nervous. That's why I was not confident
In front of the panel?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. As you see that our all candidates are so excited about their interviews, and our panelists are also very toughest. So, thank you.
थोड़ा फीलिंग आधा रख ली ध्यान वे करे ना के तू एक एहसान वे ये उम्मीद कदे साथ नहीं हो छड़ेगा जान बढ़ के तो जान नहीं हो कटेगा जान बढ़ के तो जान नहीं हो कटेगा मासूमियत लुट जे गई हंसा उड़ जो चेहरे तो यारी तालावी जिनी बूगे तेरे तो सांभ भी नहीं होना दिल टूटिया मेरे तो जिन्ना तू करेगा तेथों वध के करूंगी जिथे कोई नहीं खड़ोगा तेरे नाल मैं खड़ूंगी जिथे कोई नहीं खड़ोगा तेरे नाल मैं खड़ूंगी जिन्ना तू करेगा तेथों वध के करूंगी जिथे कोई नहीं खड़ोगा तेरे नाल मैं खड़ूंगी ओ जिन्ना तू करेगा तेथों वध के करूंगी तावी जे शक या तैनू पुछ ला रब मेरे तो यारी तालावी जिनी बूगी तेरे तो सांभ भी नहीं होना दिल टूटिया मेरे तो जान बढ़ के तो जान नहीं हो कटेगा जान बढ़ के तो जान नहीं हो कटेगा मासूमियत लुट जे गई हंसा उड़ जो चेहरे तो यारी ताला